Let's go. Okay. It's bad, but not that bad. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, shit. Perfect spot to start. Oh, looks nice too. Okay. Here we go again. Oh my nose. Oh yeah, I missed my C-17. Bumpy. Go a little faster. Oh yeah. You see this shit? Poor thing. Coyote tracks everywhere. If you don't see me in a couple days, come pick me up somewhere here. Okay, I made it to the spot. Let's go check it out. Oh, there is a person over there, down there in the distance. Yeah, there's somebody there. Looks very nice. Can make it nice. Where are you going? Oh, some ice. Let's see. This is nice. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, whoever did this, thank you. Look at this thing. Looks beautiful. And I can finally bike a little bit. Oh, that's it. That's all we get. Back to pushing. Oh, the gate's open. Oh, that helps. Gonna do a little bike check now. Well, my bike has Hope hubs. I think they are the Pro 4s. Tier P calipers, 180 rotors, stands, flow rims, 27.5 by 2.8 tires. Those UTB Rangers. There's a wide foot cage. I don't know the name of it. It's for Naldine bottles. These grips are BMX grips. Night holder, crane bell, Shimano levers, Swift Industries bag, crust, face off, stem 80 millimeters, NX shifter, Magic components handlebar in raw. You can see there. Over here we have Odyssey pedals, grandstand I think, GX cranks, SRAM chainring over there, 40 teeth. Of blue log later light, blue log reflective thingy, Brooks B17 saddle. I think it's a special version. Have 10 to 52 set there, XG, GX, something like that. GX trailer. What else? Oh, well, Thompson seat post.